Hi everybody, welcome to Slipway, which is a boat maintenance plant on Gulhi Island, the Maldives. Now it's not a boat building plant, it's a boat maintenance plant. Apparently it's the oldest one on the Maldives, and boats from all over the Maldives come here to get maintenance done on their boats. Now a small tour here. This first one here, Nirohu, that is a boat that supplies goods to the resort islands. Now the one behind it here is a fast-moving safari boat, that orange one right there, orange and white. Now this one right here behind the tractor is a fishing boat. And then this one right here is also a fishing boat. They're all getting work done. Now, if you look behind you here, this is the room where they have all the supplies for the maintenance. Okay, and then just have a quick look over there. I'm not familiar with all this, but I thought I'd show it anyways. And then over here. Okay, so that's the introduction. Now we're going to show you in a minute why they call it Slipway. Hi everybody, here's the actual harbor where the boats come in. Now let's start looking over here. The harbor starts here, and then it goes way over here. You can see more boats docked, and then the entrance to the harbor is right over there. Now, they call it slipway because apparently the boats, what they do is they actually slip on to the harbor. They have all these little runways you go in here, and they both slip up through there. And then if you look right here, there's a couple more right here. Okay, and that's why they call it slipway. Hi everybody, to clarify exactly what happens when you do the slipping on, what they do is the boats go on one of these little gadgets right here, like a little trolley. Now look at this one right here. This is one of the smaller boats goes on this one right here, okay? And those go on the little trolley and get wheeled up. Now look over here. This bigger one right here, you can see right here, it has another one on it right there. So come have a look here. You can see it's all nicely attached on there. Okay, and now of course they got these little side parts here to keep the boat steady. Okay, so that's exactly what happens. It slips on one of these little trolleys. Okay, there you go. Hi everybody, here we are showing a little bit of the maintenance. Here they are actually painting one of the boats right here. This is one of the fishing boats I showed you earlier. Here they are painting it. Hi everybody, here we are continuing our tour of Slipway. Now, it turns out there's actually a little more on there than I thought there was. Now, here's 3 more boats. This one here is a fishing boat. Here we have the wonderful employees here. Say hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, hey. We have friendly people here. Now, this one behind us here, this one is a local boat that transports goods, and it's like a ferry boat as well, so it's kind of a 2-for-1 deal. Now, this one here is a local safari boat, and it's also having work on it. Now, the plant ends there. Okay, we've taken you through the tour, and we hope you've enjoyed.